Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be creating our sign up page. So let's jump right into it. We'll start by creating the sign up component. So head over to your folder and say new file, name it as signup.jsx. Use the shortcut RCE to create a component, class component. Remove this export, write sign up here, save it. Now go to app, removes login and put sign up, import it, save it, and now we're gonna run the application by npm start just to check everything is working or not. Let it build, deploy the server. Yeah, so we have our sign up page. Now let's modify. First thing that we want to do is create a container just as we created for login with little modification. Change it to sign up container. Width will be 35, height will be 500, and padding, let's keep it around 20. Now let's see. Okay, then we need to declare the class name here also. Sign up container, save it, and okay, let's just copy it from here, paste it here. Okay, it was capital, so we make it small, save it. Here also we'll make it small. Now, peace. Then we don't need sign up to be written here. We'll have a h2 tag which will say enter your details. Save it. This looks good. Now we'll use the evergreen library and create the text fields. Text input field will have a label, will be name, then type will be text, placeholder will be example John Doe. Then we'll have, let's just keep it like this for now. Copy this, paste it, yep, 6 times. Now next will be user name. It'll also be a text. Example will be John Doe. Then we'll have the email ID. It'll also be a text and it'll be something like John Doe @ example.com. Next up is password. First will be a password and will be a type password. Example will be something like this @123. Again, let's just copy this as we need a confirm password as well. So we'll just put it here, paste it, keep it as password and put it as confirm password. Save it and let's see. And we got our details. Now we'll adjust the width. So width will be, we'll say width will be around 300. How much is that? Oh, okay, 300 pixels. Now let's save it. Yep, this works. Now copy this, paste it everywhere, paste it, paste it, and save it. One field left out, paste it here, and we are good to go. Let's just add a margin top here a little so that it just a little bit down, looks much better like that. Margin top. If you're wondering how I'm writing all these, you can just check out the documentation. Not 40. We'll go put it at 20. Okay, margin top. I think it's this way. Yep, it worked. Now this is a little bit small for us, so we'll make it 550. Let's see. Yeah, I think 600 will be much better. Yeah, this looks way better. Now, what we'll add is our button. We'll add a button. We'll give an appearance of primary and we'll say not login, sign up. Let's see how it looks. Yes, this looks nice. Now we'll have a height of 40 and this looks nice. Now let's just check. This is text, this is text, this is text, this is password and this is password. Everything seems to work out and everything seems nice. So let's check whether both of them are working. Login is also working. Yes, login is working and sign up is working. Yes, we can see the sign up page. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.